Good morning, class. In last lecture we have discussed about r minus 1's complement and r's complement. R minus 1's complement means 1's complement or 9's complement. R's complement means 2's complement and 10's complement. Okay, and we have discussed there are three different methods to represent any signed number. Okay, there are three methods. These three methods are sign magnitude, 1's complement and 2's complement method. Okay, these three method we discussed. Okay, this is your conclusion. In case of unsigned number, suppose if I talk in terms of 4-bit, okay, the range will be from 0 to 15. In case of signed magnitude, range will be -7 to +7. In case of 1's complement method, -7 to +7. In case of 2's complement method, -8 to +7. I also discussed how to generate the formula in 2's complement method for general n bit. What is the formula? -2 to the power n minus 1 2 plus 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so range came -8 to +1. In this case, range from -2 to the power n minus 1 plus 1 to 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. The same thing is applicable here. Okay, in case of positive number, in all three methods, sign magnitude 1, the same method we use. Okay, suppose this is +5, this is 0, means plus 1015. Similarly 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. In case of sign magnitude, +5 means -5. Now -5, this is 1 and 101. In this, take 1's complement of this 0 1 0 1. Take 1's complement and answer will be this. In this case 0 1 0 1, take 2's complement of this. Okay, now we will learn how to perform arithmetical operation, how to perform subtraction in case of sign magnitude, 1's complement and 2's complement method. Okay, before that I would like to explain how to perform a minus b in 1's complement method. In 1's complement method, what we do, first determine 1's complement of b. Okay, now if a is greater than b, determine 1's complement of b and add this to a. Okay, if any carry generated, add that carry to LSB. And if a is less than b, in this case what we do, we determine 1's complement of b and add this into a and again take 1's complement of result with negative sign. In case of 2's complement method, suppose you have to perform a minus b, we determine, if again there are two possible cases, if a is greater than b, determine 2's complement of b and add this into a. In this case always carry generated and we discard carry. Okay, so why computer prefers 2's complement method over 1's complement method? Because in this case we discard carry, so less adder hardware circuit is required, so speed will be more, so 2's complement is preferred over 1's complement. And second case, if a is less than b, in this case again take 2's complement of b and add this into a. In this case carry is not generated and again take 2's complement of that, and that will be the final answer. Also put minus sign. Okay, in last semester in basic electronics you have seen. Now in this, now we will see binary subtraction using ones complement. Now I am explaining here, okay, for signed number. Till now you have learned about unsigned number. Whatever I was dictating, that was of ones complement method and twos complement method for unsigned number. For signed number, what we do, computer does not perform subtraction. It performs subtraction by only adding two number. Minus is nothing. It is r's complement or r minus 1's complement. Suppose you have to perform this 5 minus 1, just you have to replace this minus by plus. Just write down 5 plus minus 1. Okay, you have to change subtraction to addition. I change minus by plus and take minus 1. Now you know what is minus 1, because you are performing by using one's complement. So minus 1 is nothing. It is one's complement of plus 1. Okay, in last class I discussed minus is nothing. It is either one's complement if you are performing by using one's complement method, and minus 1 is two's complement of plus 1 if you are performing by using two's complement method. Okay, now just write down its binary value, and minus plus and this 110. How it came? Plus 1 is nothing, 0001, and take 1's complement of 0001, it will be 110. Okay, now add. This is 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 0. Okay, and now add this carry to here. In case of 1's complement carry generated, we always add this into LSB. So add this. Okay, here 0 1 0 plus 4. Okay, 0 represents plus and 1 0 0 represents 4. This is your magnitude. This is B. You know 5 minus 1 is nothing. It is plus 4. So how it is coming? By using one's complement method. Okay, is it clear or not? If you have any doubt, you can discuss with me in discussion class. Okay, now suppose you have to perform 5 minus 6. Okay, 5 minus 6. Write down binary value of 5. First change this minus by plus. 5 plus minus 6. Okay, the same thing here. Now 5 is nothing, 0 1 0 1. Minus 6 is nothing, 1's complement of plus 6. What is plus 6? 0 1 1 0. So it's 1's complement with 0 1 1 0, 1's complement 1 0 0 1. Okay, now you know 5 minus 6, answer is minus 1. So result must be negative, means MSB must be 1. You will see here this 0. If carry 0, then result is negative, it means 1's complement. Just you have to discard this, and or you can say if you are adding here 0, it will give the same result, 1 1 0. Okay, this 1 represents minus, and this 1 1 0 is nothing, it is minus 1 in 1's complement method. Okay, you already know computer will show only this. Suppose you have to check whether it is minus 1 or not. Again take 2's complement, 1's complement, it is nothing, 0 0 0 1. This is minus 1. Okay, just computer will show only result till here. Okay, same thing by using 2's complement. 5 minus 1. This write down plus 5, 0 1 0 1. Minus 1 is nothing, 2's complement of plus 1. 2's complement of plus 1. Okay, plus 1 is 0 0 0 1 plus 1. So it will come 1 1 1. Okay, now add. If carry generated, discard it. I already told to you. Okay, this is your final 0 1 0. You know 5 minus 1 is nothing, plus 4. Okay, 5 minus 6. The same thing is here. 5 plus minus 6. 0 1 0 1, and minus 6 is nothing. Minus 6 is nothing. 2's complement of plus 6. 2's complement of plus 6 means 2's complement of 0 1 1 0. Just determine 2's complement of 0 1 1 0. It will come 1 0 1 0. Now add this. So in this case, discard it. In 2's complement method, we always discard carry. Okay. So this is your final. This 1 indicates what? Negative answer, because answer is 1 1 1 2's complement. Okay. Okay, it's all about your today lecture, and just practice it, and if you have any doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.